Okay, quick Arctic update for the 29th of November 2018, so around about the start of December. Not much is happening since the last update. I just want to do one. Still pretty cold up there, minus 30s in the Arctic, especially over this western side here, if we can call it that. Minus 30s all around there. So still very, very cold. Look at Siberia just for, over the land here, minus 34. Look at all that cold. Seriously cold up in the northern parts of the planet right now. Greenland had a little warm period there a little week ago, but it's all minus 37 and almost minus 40 again. So it's all very cold up there. And here's the current graph, and we see here it's just up, just coming down. It's just leveled off there above the anomaly. Just a quick look at the ice volume. Nothing visually has changed. Just to note, that black line there, the current is going along the last 2004-2013 mean perfectly. So it's about average over the last that 10-year mean there. Back here, this is the interesting thing. I'll make a little video on this. I've been meaning to do this for some time, so I'll include it here since there's not much to talk about since the last video. But this anomaly feature here, it starts getting off the graph, and it's doing it again. So arguably been, slightly warmer up in the Arctic Circle this season. If you look back through history, that's what we're going to do and see how odd this is. In 2017, it was up there. 2016, so it was always above the median in these shoulder periods. Now, just in case you don't know, this is summer. Now, summers are incredibly stable up in the Arctic. They rarely go, always fits very closely to this median line, the average line. Always, there's very little variability. In the shoulder seasons, however, you get wild variability. In the winter months, it gets warmer and colder up there. So that's just in case you didn't know, that's generally what happens. But that was 216. Now I'll go back to 215. Not so much, but still we're up. 214, you see it's always above. Now from 213 back, you'll find here, watch this, it gets a little bit closer to the line. So there's obviously deviations above the line, positive anomalies there, but look at this, getting closer to around the averages. Around the averages. Up. Yeah. No, up. That was pretty up here there. Look at that one. Down. What was that? 2003, was it? No, that was 2004. 2004. Right on the average and down. And you'll see that most times. So this anomaly that we get here, that last year, that was 217. So, no, that was 216. That's quite a big one. I mean, look at that. So these wild positive anomalies in the winter season here have been a feature just of the last, 215, 213, 214 even. That wasn't a bad year for ice in the Arctic, 214. 215, no, sorry, 216. No, that's 216. This is 216, 217, and 218 so far, but pretty positive anomalies in the winter up in the Arctic. But all in all, the Arctic ice volume this year is travelling quite well. Look, it's on the median. We're still in a sort of a positive anomaly situation with the air temperature up there, but the sea ice volume there this year is pretty solid, but watching with interest to see if they're going to follow that line. I'll start dipping back below here like it has done in these previous years. See those years there, 217 and the blue 215, 216, 217. It's all tended to fade away a bit now as we enter December. So we'll see what happens. And so far, the temperature is sort of still coming back to that median there. Really jumped back. It's had a slight little spike here. Coming back, just leveling off there now. All very interesting. Never been a cooler time to look at the weather.